What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Starting off another great day out here in Toronto. It's like really fucking windy outside right now. Anyways, guys, I'm just on my way. I'm gonna head to the Haitian market. I'm gonna try to get something from the Haitian market because it's Friday. So I like to hold on. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Starting off another great day out here in Toronto. It's like really fucking windy outside right now. Anyways, guys, I'm just on my way. I'm gonna head to the Haitian market. I'm gonna try to get something from the Haitian market because it's Friday. So I just hold on. Sorry, guys, just crossing the road. I want to vlog while I'm crossing the road. It's unsafe. Hope you guys, please don't do it. I don't want you guys doing it either. Like, guys, please don't do it. I strongly encourage you guys. I can't force you to, but just please don't like text or go on your phones while crossing. It's unsafe and it won't end well. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head to the Haitian market. It's Friday. I like to do something fun on Friday. So I'm gonna head to the Haitian market and might get something to eat. I don't know. We'll see what they have there. But anyways, guys, if you guys haven't yet, if you guys want, I always do daily post notifications every day. If you want a post notification, if you want me to give you a post notification, all you have to do is just hold on. All you have to do is just return your post notifications, then comment down below and say you did it, and maybe I'll be giving post notifications to a ton of you guys. Thanks, guys, and enjoy the vlog. So we gotta continue our normal day of vlogging. So we're just walking to the Haitian market in Toronto. It's like really cold outside right now. It's not that cold, but like, at least it's spring. Guys, it's like 45 degrees outside right now. I don't know. Here we are at the Haitian market. Alright, guys, I'm just about to play some Fortnite right now, so let's do it. In the car right now. We're just heading to Parry right now. We're just getting rid of the house right now, guys. If you guys can't see me, I'm sorry. Alright, guys, we're at the hotel right now. Feeling kind of homesick right now. But guys, I don't know why. I just don't like hotels. Like, I just feel every time I'm at a hotel, I just feel homesick a lot. Like, I don't know why. Alright, guys, I'm in the hotel right now. Alright, guys, so I'm going to explain to you why I'm in Parry right now. The reason why I'm in Parry is because I have a hockey tournament in Parry. So I'm going to play. And this might be my last hockey tournament of the season because I think this is going to be my final season of playing hockey. I don't know, but so maybe I'll like record some footage for you guys. Like I'll have maybe like my mom record some footage for you guys. So yeah, this might be my final hockey tournament of the season. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Do not forget to turn on your post notifications because I give notification shoutouts every single day to people who have my notifications turned on. Here are today's shoutouts of the day. Boom, 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 boom. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.